You might have reposted something on Instagram without even realizing it, and if it happens to be the wrong post, it could be pretty embarrassing. The good news is, Instagram has a place where you can quickly check everything you've ever reposted. Open Instagram and tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the three lines in the top right to open Settings and Activity. From here, tap your activity and in the first group of options, select Reposts. This page shows every post or reel you've reposted from other people. If you've never reposted anything before, like me, this page will simply be empty. But if you've ever tapped the repost button, whether intentionally or by accident, you'll find it all here. This is one of those hidden Instagram features that most people never think to check. When you're scrolling quickly, it's surprisingly easy to tap the wrong button without noticing. Later on, you might not even remember that you reposted something, especially if it was weeks or months ago. Since people share all kinds of content on Instagram, from funny videos to controversial or sensitive posts, it's worth checking this section every once in a while to make sure your reposts still reflect what you actually want associated with your account. If you found this tip helpful, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks.